Okay, YouTube, I think we're gonna see if this old girl will start. It's been a while. I know I need to put some hydraulic oil in it, and let me get up here, and some transmission fluid, but we'll see if it'll start anyhow. Get the key out of my pocket. And I know that I need to do something with this because that's froze up to shut it off, so I have to reach down in there in the governor, and when I go to shut it down, turn the ignition, the battery on, and like my little key, little tiger cat skidder. Okay. No, you don't have to pump it out, just seeing if make sure the rack or nothing was weird. She is. Good old girl. I'm pretty sure it's out of hydraulic fluid. I don't even think the blade will pick up all the way. Let's see, I got the handle back. It's starting to go. There it goes. To move this thing so I can mow my lawn. I love these old Detroits. See if it smokes. Shut her down now. If I can. There. It's pushing the governor the wrong way. Alright, YouTube. That's the end of that video. I just thought it'd be kind of fun to run her. Haven't started it forever. Guess I should probably lower the blade down, huh? Needs pins and bushings on the blade pins. That's why it does that. There's no grease zerks or homemade pins in there. That's one of those projects that'll be a someday, but not a right now. Alright, YouTube. Hope you guys had a great weekend and have a great week. Stay safe, have fun. Talk to you later. And one more thing, YouTube. I got this pretty cool Kenworth sign here. It's about, I don't know, probably a little over a foot long. Probably about 14, 16 inches long. Probably 3 inches high here. I'm going to give that away on the when I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I got a special video that I'm going to share with you guys when I do hit 1,000 subscribers. So anyways, guys, again, I'll hope you have a great week, and stay safe, have fun. Talk to you later.